Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix some space issues you might have on your device in terms of memory usage, where you're only having so much of your RAM currently being utilized that's currently installed on your machine. So in this tutorial I hope to free up some extra RAM on your device. So we actually went into System and we went under About Your PC by clicking on that. And then we went underneath System Info at the bottom of this menu. Installed RAM if for some reason you had in parentheses next to it saying that only so much was usable. In this tutorial I hope to free up some RAM for you guys. So we're going to just jump right into it, and we're going to start by right clicking on the start button, and then from this menu you want to left click on Run. Should be the third option from the bottom. Now you want to type in msconfig, so msconfig, exactly how it sounds, all lowercase. Then you want to hit OK or hit enter on your keyboard to enter that, doesn't really matter. So now underneath the system configuration utility, you want to left click on the boot tab. It should be right next to the general tab at the top. So again, left click on that. And then there should be a button that's not grayed out that should say advanced options right here. So you want to left click on that. So underneath boot advanced options, so number of processors should not be grayed out, and you should have control over that, but we can see there's only one processor, so that's why we cannot change that setting. You need at least one. But on the right side underneath maximum memory, you want to check inside this box. Now this is in megabytes, so 1024 megabytes per gigabyte. So if you have a 4 gigabyte computer, what that basically would tell you is that you have to put in 4096 megabytes to get to those 4 gigabytes. And then you would just multiply 8 times 1024 to get to 8 gigabytes, times it by 16 to get to 16 gigabytes, and so forth. But you want to make sure this box is checkmarked and you're using the maximum amount of memory right here. And once you're done typing that in, you want to hit OK at the bottom of this window. And now we can click on OK again to close out of the system configuration window. You want to exit without restart for right now. And now you want to head back to Start menu, type in System. Best match should say About Your PC, System Settings. You want to left click on that. You want to scroll down on the right side here until you get to the area that says System Info at the bottom. You want to left click on that. Now in the System window, you want to left click on System Protection on the left side here. So now that you're in the System Properties window, you want to left click on the Advanced tab in the middle, and then underneath Performance, left click on the Settings button right here. So left click on that. Now you want to left click on the Advanced tab in the middle. Underneath Virtual Memory, left click on this Change button right here. So now you want to uncheck this box that says Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives, and then left click on No Paging File at the bottom of this window. So then at this point you would want to click on OK. It says the change you have made requires you to restart your computer before they can take effect. Click on OK again. Click on Apply and OK to get out of that performance window. Click on OK to get out of the System Properties window. Again, you must restart your computer to apply these changes. Going to restart later because we're going to close out of all these other windows that are currently open. And now we're going to, once we've closed out of all active windows and saved any documents or files we had open, we're going to restart our computer, and then hopefully the problem has been resolved for you guys and you've freed up a little bit of RAM on your machine. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.